Okay, so here's the unboxing of the Pine Time dev kit. So I bought it recently, and yeah, I just arrived one of it, and yeah, I just peeled one of the stickers to make it easier to open, so I don't need to like waste too much time. Because yeah, if I don't peel open one of it, then it's going to be very hard to open. So oh boy, how this comes off easily. Didn't quite expect that. This is the watch. Oh, reflective cell. Damn. Okay, good. I think this is OLED or something. Oh crap. I thought this can like. It's going to just fall through. Okay, so I use this inner one is for stuff. Oh, the dev kit. Oh yeah, so there you go. There's that. Yeah. So that's the wrist strap, the casing, and the charger, and one of the cover. I think the another cover is for fully sealed. I'm not quite sure. Let me just quickly open this. Oh no, it's just a charging dock station. Oh, quite cute, I guess. Let's see. And I guess the pin wire is for us to program, for developer to program it. So overall, it's just like that. I don't know if it's out of the stock bootable, so let's just try it. Try to make it now. Sadly, I have not read instruction in any way, so it's very likely that I will just broke it if I'm not careful. But I think this should be correct. 2 silver button, 1 in, 1 out. I think it should be something like that. I'm not quite sure if it's going to seal it. Just press it. I think pressing it would just seal it totally, I guess. It does not seem to have like, what do you call it, the pin strap. Oh wait, I think I should put the wristband first, right? Then I clip it up. Yeah, that makes sense, of course. Because it should look like that at the back. See, I guess. That's how it's supposed to be called. Oh yeah, actually there's this. I'm not quite sure, but okay, now it seems to click. No? Something flimsy like that, I guess. Yeah, that's my best effort. And I'm going to also clip one of the other strap in. It's going to take some of your time, and I guess I'm going to cut some of the time out.
One minute later.
Oh yeah, that hole is so small that the pin doesn't, I mean the hole is not long enough, I guess, so the pin just won't fully retract into like the step as the one at the bottom. And yeah, I'm actually cooking stuff in case you are hearing like some voices like or whatever. Yeah, it's just a daily life of me cooking my stuff. Oh, the whole strap fell off. Right, because it's not actually secured. Of course, It's gonna fall off.
1 minute later.
Oh, there's actually a. I guess I gotta push it harder. I think it's quite a tight fit for the what you call this, the one that uses to hold the thing. The other strap. I think it's designed another way, such that it's just tighter. Maybe. And I think the casing. Oh yeah, it's. I guess we cannot just seal it like that. And the pin, I gotta push it. Oh yeah, I guess yeah, this is not a sealed unit because it's a dev kit, so I guess it will be something like that. I guess I could like use some tap to tap it up. I'm not quite sure if there is like built-in battery or not. Let me press for a while, see if there's any reaction. I don't think there's any battery. It's not a big problem. I can just plug it into my nearby computer. And this is my laptop. We can just do something like. It's just very loose at this point. Everything is just a bit flimsy. Oh wow, it decharged. I guess I could stretch it out a bit. Oh yeah, I guess now you see it. This is the time. It's charging. It's just 0000. Nothing much to see, but I guess that concludes it. I'm not quite sure if there's anything more that I can show you, or anything that I can do to show you. But yeah, that's the video. Thanks.